Is your Solar Auxilia force in dire need of extra units and help on the battlefield? Well, get ready because support arrives today. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Legion Imperialis Solar Auxilia Support for Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, the game of epic scale combat. The Solar Auxilia forces can relax because now the support batteries are arriving. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones as well. And of course, everybody here on the YouTubes. Big thank you for everybody clicking that membership button down below and helping the channel out that way as well. Big thank you to you all. So, Solar Auxilia Support. Yes, it is here, it has arrived, and yeah, we have plenty of little guns to go around for all your little divisions. This box is 40 Citadel miniatures of epic scale awesomeness. Very excited, very excited. Let's have a look at the back of the box. What we are looking at, we are looking at Auxilia Rapier quad launchers, Auxilia Rapier with laser destroyer array, Auxilia Rapier with mole mortar, Solar Auxilia Cyclops. I remember those things being very dangerous back in the day. Auxilia Tarantula with Tarantula las cannon battery, and Auxilia Tarantula with Hyperius air defense missile launchers. Wow, very cool. So these things are some much needed support for the Solar Auxilia on the tabletop, and they have arrived. Wow. So let's bust out the trusty, rusty bladed Destiny here, and let's cut our way into this box, and let's see, have a look at the frames, and you know what, let's have a look, let's have a little sniff around. You know what, I think we have to come in for a little ASMR, and you know, because this box has some cellophane on it, I'm going to enjoy this, I think. Here we go. You ready? We'll do this one nice and slow. Here we go. Ooh, that was interesting. We'll do this one faster. Here we go. Oh, completely messed that up. Oh, that wasn't quite as satisfying. But that's why we do it, because it's a different experience every time. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's have a look here. Ooh, yes, the box. Now, this box is the standard squad size box we see in a lot of Games Workshop releases. We are greeted with instruction booklet, 2 baggies of bases. I would assume that there's probably 20 bases per baggie, as there are 40 models in this box set release. And yeah, we have a whole whack ton of frames, and two frames with a whole bunch of models. I'm going to assume it's like 20 models per frame, as this is 40 miniatures. Instruction guide should be fairly straightforward, I would assume. The Cyclops actually are not one piece. They're 3 pieces. Kind of surprised by that. Tarantulas, yeah, very cool. The Rapiers with the Solar Auxilia crew, very cool. The little quad launchers. Now, back in the day, what did that gun used to be called? For all of you old school Warhammer enthusiasts, what was that gun called back in the day? Way back in the day. I used to have one. In my collection. But yeah, very cool. So that's the instructions. Here are the frames. I believe they are duplicate frames. They should be. They're most likely. Are they? I think they... Yeah, they are. They're duplicate frames. I had to double check here. Yeah, they're duplicate frames. And yeah, I think we're going to come in for a closer look, have a little sniff around, and, you know, maybe render a verdict. Ooh, a verdict. I don't know if we've ever rendered a verdict before. Have we? I don't know. Anyway, let's check it out. Okay, having a look at these fantastic looking tarantulas and rapier. Very cool. Las cannons, Auxilia crew. Look how small they are. They're just cute little fellers. Just doing their little jobs. Little doozers. Anybody remember little doozers? Anyway. Yeah, very, very cool. These little cyclops. Like, imagine if the Lehman Russes were this size. This game would be tiny. Would be just a little speck. Very, very cool. Yeah, little missiles and las cannons, cyclopses. Is it cyclopses or cyclopi? Cyclopean? Very, very, very cool. Let's have a quick look at the backside here. Yeah, they're really, really straightforward. There's nothing, surprising here. The only thing is obviously, you're going to want a nice sharp hobby knife as well as clippers, just to make sure you get nice, good, clean cuts on these little areas where these little bits all join up. Gotta be careful. And I pity anybody who has a, gray carpet, because if you lose any of these parts, yeah, you're never getting them back. Oh yeah, we gotta do a sniff test. Let's do a sniff test. Oh, it went in my nose. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, that's a sniff test. That is the sniff test. All right, let's get back into the rest of the video and, share our final thoughts, I guess. That is our look at the brand new Legion Imperialis Solar Auxilia Support box set for Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, the game of epic scale combat. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support. And a big thank you to all of you here on the YouTubes. Clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. I started doing fresh tips again. Oh. Maybe a live stream. Whoa. Maybe a battle report. Whoa. Maybe I don't know, that's it. That's all the videos I do. Okay, bye.